Hello, my viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to show you our little Christmas lighting for this year. This is how it looks indoors. We gathered all the gifts here, and this is the beautiful wreath. Come, let's step outside and see how it looks outdoors. I absolutely love decorating the house for Christmas ever since my childhood. These have been my favorite days of the year. As you all know from my previous videos, we were house hunting. Finally, we got a house and we are slowly settling in. This is our dining room. This is our cozy living room. It's very cozy. There are no ceiling lights yet, so we have arranged some temporary lighting. In the future, we will definitely install proper lights. This is our electric fire pit. Capturing videos at night is little difficult because of low light, but I still captured this just to show you our Christmas lights. This is just before the bed. I like to keep the next day cooking meat into the refrigerator before previous night. And before sleep, I will do a little self-care so that it keeps my skin moisturized and soft by morning. The next morning, we woke up to snow. I love snow watching, taking pictures and videos, and just being cozy, but staying home continuously without even evening walks can feel a little suffocating. However, being in a bigger house this year makes it much better, so I really don't mind staying in. I also bought few little pleasures for myself from the Shein app. I absolutely loved this mobile case. It is such a cute coffee themed case. I also ordered this cloud set for keyboard and mouse wrist support. Proper wrist alignment should be slightly above the keyboard and mouse, and these makes it perfect. This is the next morning, which means it is the weekend and Christmas cleaning weekend. This little robot vacuum helps me a lot. It will go every corner and clean. The thing what I have to do is I have to pick up everything on ground. I gifted myself a hand mixer from Amazon to bake some cookies and other baking items. I'm planning to experiment with dark double chocolate cookies, and if they turn out well, I will make more. Before starting any cooking, I like to clean my space. While I was preparing, my sister called and We had a long conversation about our India trip. And we also bought a sofa and a armchair, uh, which will be arriving on Wednesday. My husband and I found this colorful sofa really interesting for the sunroom, and as soon we saw we put an offer, we got it for a really good deal. From here, I'll fast forward the cooking making process. If you want the double chocolate cookie recipe, please comment in the comment section and I will definitely share it. Vlogging cooking videos is honestly very hard work. Hats off to all cooking vloggers. After filming any cooking vlog, I feel so stressed because you have to use your hands, clean again, adjust camera angles, adjust the settings. Oh god, it's really difficult. If you have a cameraman, that's great. But being a self camera vlogger is truly a hidden talent. Still, I have to learn a lot of camera angles. I'm not at all good at it so far. Finally, the cookies turned out so good. They were absolutely delicious. I'm planning to make another batch sometime this week and share with our neighbors and family. After cookies and cleaning, it was time for snow shoveling. Bundle yourself up, grab all the equipment, and head out. Our neighbors have around 14 acres of land with a pond and a golf course and their house. They were ice skating on the pond and clearing snow from the area. After seeing that, my my husband also went on to our koi fish pond, which was frozen and cleared the snow. So this was all my small weekend vlogs. See you next week. Thank you. Bye bye. Please subscribe.